Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from Chase to Western Union in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to family abroad or helping a friend in a pinch, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted quickly and securely. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need. Make sure you have a verified Chase bank account and the recipient's details from Western Union, like their name, location, and any tracking numbers. Oh, and keep an eye on the 2025 updates. Banks are always tweaking their apps for better security. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Fire up the Chase mobile app or head to their website. If you're new to this, use your username and a strong password, and enable two-factor authentication for extra peace of mind. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Step 2. Select the transfer option. Look for External Transfer or Wire Transfer. In 2025, Chase might have a direct integration with Western Union, so check for a partnership link. Enter the amount you want to send, and double-check for any fees. Transfers can cost between $15 to $50 depending on the method. Step 3. Input the recipient's details. This is crucial. Provide the exact Western Union information, like the recipient's full name, country, and any reference numbers. Chase will prompt you to verify everything to prevent errors or fraud. Review the transfer summary, including the exchange rate if it's an international send, and hit confirm. After that, you'll get a confirmation email or notification from Chase. Western Union should notify the recipient, and they can pick up the money at a local agent or have it deposited directly. Pro tip: always track your transfer using the Western Union app to ensure it arrives safely. And remember, in 2025, look out for new features like instant transfers or biometric verification to speed things up. Wrapping this up, transferring money has never been simpler with these tools at your fingertips. If you follow these steps, you'll avoid common pitfalls like delays or incorrect details. Give it a try, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance tips. Thanks for watching. Stay savvy.